Hi everyone, this is the OVR guy here. Right now you can hear the sound from the speaker. It's a mono speaker. There's no stereo. Hello. Hello. Hello, OVR Bonnie. What do you think about the video quality of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G? I'll show you the video and you'll tell me your thoughts, okay? Tell everyone that you want them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is the OVR guy. Right now I'm shooting a video with the Samsung Galaxy A17. 30 frames per second, Full HD. Let me know what you think about the camera. This is the normal zoom, double zoom, maximum zoom, 10x. This is a 10x zoom. This is a normal zoom. It takes time to switch between the distances. It's not like in the more advanced Samsung devices. You can see this is a relatively fluent switch between the zoom. Now I'm switching to the front camera.
Well, boys and girls, this is the OVR guy here, and this was my video review of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to learn more about this smartphone, go to my website. You can find the full review, www.originalvideoreviews.com, and there's additional info about this smartphone. If you still have any questions about this smartphone, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to help you with that. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I invite you to join the Original Video Reviews WhatsApp channel. And that's all, I'm going to work on my next review. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Until next time, bye bye.